Brighten your trailer's game. Submersible LED lights that shine through rain, road, and waves. Ever felt unsure about your trailer's visibility on dark roads or through heavy rain? Your safety and style deserve better than weak, outdated lights that fail to make the cut. Enter Partsam 12-volt submersible square LED trailer lights. Designed to combine superior brightness with unmatched durability, these lights are the ultimate solution for boat trailers, trucks, RVs, and more. With a sleek smoked red lens and street-legal design, these lights ensure you stand out, both in safety and aesthetics, wherever your travels take you. What makes Partsam lights a cut above the rest? For starters, the 15-diode and 19-diode configurations offer multifunctional brilliance, covering everything from brake lights to turn signals and license plate illumination. Their IP68 waterproof construction protects the circuit board, making them perfect for submerged applications like boat trailers. Unlike competitors, these lights feature a solid, distinctive light pattern that screams quality and dependability. Whether on the road or at the marina, these lights will keep your trailer shining. Why waste hours wrestling with wiring when you can install these lights in minutes? The 3-wire pigtail system comes color-coded for simplicity, while the included mounting hardware ensures a snug, secure fit. Designed for trailers under 80 inches, these lights eliminate installation headaches, so you can focus on what matters, hitting the road or the waves. With their robust construction and effortless setup, Partsam lights save you time, money, and frustration, delivering incredible value for every penny. Durability is where Partsam shines brightest. Made from premium materials, these lights resist water, corrosion, and the wear and tear of heavy use. Whether exposed to torrential rain, salty sea air, or rugged terrain, their epoxy-encapsulated electronics ensure top-notch performance in every environment. Customers rave about their reliability and brightness, calling them a game-changer for safety and visibility. When you choose Partsam, you're investing in quality that lasts. These aren't just trailer lights, they're a revolution in design and functionality. Whether you're towing your boat to the lake, hauling cargo at night, or cruising through unpredictable weather, Partsam lights enhance your safety and style. DOT compliant and crafted with care, they're trusted by pros and DIYers alike. Say goodbye to dim, ineffective lights and hello to a brighter, safer, and more stylish journey. With Partsam 12-volt submersible LED trailer lights, the road ahead has never looked clearer or cooler.